Hi. So our topic is what is Blazor. So Blazor is a Blazor is a web-based framework like a .NET-based framework that is developed by Microsoft. So it is open source web-based framework. So we what does Blazor do? So Blazor provide a feasibility so we can develop our web application with a programming language used as a backend, also used as a front end. So how we can do that? We will see we will see that. So here how we are using C# language as a front end and also as a back end, that feasibility provide with that our Blazor framework, that is a .NET based framework. So right now we are developing our web application. How? So right now we are developing our web based web, like your our web applications, like we are using server side logic, like we are defining our server side logic with other programming language like C#, Java and other programming language. And for front end, or you can say client end, we are using JavaScript frameworks like Angular, React and etc. So how does this works? So now Microsoft released this web-based framework Blazor. So as we do here, we can like use C# language in both side, client side as well as server side. So Blazor provide like feasibility to, so you can use C# as client side as server side. So first thing you should came in mind, like how you can like execute your C# code in browser. So that thing provide by WebAssembly. So what is this WebAssembly? WebAssembly is basically like low level assembly. It is like binary format that provide that in modern web browser. In all web browser we have a like WebAssembly, so that we can like this WebAssembly provide target compilation, so that we can execute our C# code in front end as well. If you have a WebAssembly, you can compile your C# code in front end as well. So what are the Blazor hosting models? Different hosting models, like two hosting models are there in WebAssembly. So WebAssembly is like called client side hosting model, and Blazor server is like server side hosting model. So why Blazor? Because Blazor is a like provide in .NET different APIs you can use. In this you can use modern language C#. So C# language you can use. You can build this in this different IDs, Visual Studio Code, and also it supports SP, single page applications, and JavaScript interoperability, forms validation, server side rendering. Where can we use Blazor? So if you want to make your web application with the help of Blazor, how you can like execute that web application or like run web application? So in any web browser, like nowadays in each and every web browser you can run your Blazor web app. So that is like they contain WebAssembly, so you can run your Blazor app in each browser. Edge, Microsoft Chrome, all these browsers are mentioned here. So this is like basic intro of what is Blazor app. Thanks.